Hi, I'm Mike Corbett, and today I'm going to show you how you use the tracking feature that's a standard fit on all XYZ Proturn lathes. All of the XYZ Proturn lathes are fitted with the Proturn SLX control. When you've written a program using the Proturn SLX's conversational programming system, there are a number of ways that you can check the program to see what you've programmed is correct. One of those features is to use the look key, and the look key will now give us geometry of what we've told the machine to do. Another way that we can check the program is from the main menu, is to use the setup mode and do a toolpath view, and that will give a line trace of where the tools are going to go to machine your component. As the ultimate check, the last thing we can do is to use the verify part feature, which lets us see the part done as a 3D image. So even though you've proved your program using the three features we've just seen, you still may not have the confidence to let the machine run in full CNC mode. So when we go into run mode to execute the program, we now have the option to select TRAKing. And when we select TRAKing, we run the program by using the two hand wheels on the apron. The larger Z-axis handle runs the program quickly, the smaller X-axis handle will run the machine more slowly. And it gives you total control over executing the program. So once the spindle is started, we can now turn the handle to bring the tool into the workpiece. You could change your screen display to the path view to see as the tool comes in towards the workpiece. If you stop turning the handle, the machine will stop. And if you wish, by turning the handle the opposite way, the program will run in reverse and take you back away from your workpiece. But as you approach the workpiece, if you're happy with how your tool is set, you can continue on and now start cutting your components by turning the handle. When it gets to the end of the cut, we continue to turn the same way. You can now run the complete component under tracking control. Or, if you're happy with what you're machining, you can stop the tracking feature, decide to select CNC run, press go, and the machine will run under its own power. At any time, you can now reselect tracking by simply pressing the stop key, re-engaging tracking, and continuing to turn the handle. So tracking really does give you total control of an XYZ Proturn lathe.